logo asid kulova. This one.
Wena kahle actually mama ukhona wasondibele ngayibuza kwenzakalani manje ngaba 5 questions
so longa winanga
Spendiwe nje
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Utopia Unplugged podcast. And yeah, I am your host with the most, Umlibo. And behind the camera today we have Sisipo, a graduate, your newly found fave. Sisipo, please say hi to the fam.
On the spot, Umlibo.
Oh, because you are a graduate, dog.
I am, but Galoksana in front of Honkaban.
Yeah, I just had to show about La Sifundila.
Wow.
All right, so say hi, Galuk.
Oh, what's up, Zitanda? It is a newly found fave. I hope they're reporting to you like it's duty because why not?
And yeah, I don't know, guys, if I have to introduce him myself, okay, dog, like, just go ahead, bro.
Anginayo intro mina, but yeah, sanibona Kalisto, King.
No, I'm just thinking there because I was about to say something. We always say it here on the podcast, Abo.
Okay.
In case like there's a Han, like watching the podcast, Manj, and Uti, who's this handsome guy? Just kancane.
Okay. Ophangweni umkhalisto malisto inja igame ighost amagosi dabhayizela bolala yabo.
Yeah, where you from, dog? Like, what do you do, yabo?
Okay. Ngisuka angifuna ukukhuluma isingisi
Yeah.
Sicela isikinyana. Sure. Ngisuka eMaritzburg kahle
yabo.
Ngi-promote TikTok. Yeah.
Sure.
There's nothing much ngayisho. Ayikho into interesting ngala e-background yami la ngisuka khona. But yilokho nje kuphela. So eMaritzburg ngiyi-promote. Go back.
Okay. So here on the podcast is what we call a foreplay. Do you love foreplay or you just go straight to the point?
In foreplay.
How? Like,
Foreplay.
oh no, just to smoothen this, like interview to make you comfortable, level. Or you just go straight to the point.
I shoot her.
For playing, eh? All right. So we're gonna play a game. She's a 10, but I will say something negative, yabo. And when it's about you date her or not, I'm told, eh?
Okay. On. On.
Yeah. All right. Daily already there. All right. Let's go. So let's say she's a 10, but she can't speak English.
No,
Would you date her?
Yeah. Asijoleli phela isingisi.
Nah. Yeah. Just for vibes and to smash and that's it.
Cha, umuntu bawumthanda fethu ukuthi akwazi ukukhuluma isingisi akanamali noma wenza yini akanalo nyawo. It's fine. Yabo, uthanda.
Would you date intombazane yasemakhaya?
Yeah, why not?
Like from emakhaya, that's one
Zero ati ingane zasemakhaya.
Ne?
Compared to ingane zaselokishini. Because manje kushiya nokwenza.
It's like there's a story there, bro. Like,
hey, yabona kushiya nokwenza because manje khona ogangayo khona osazofundisa ukuthi izinto zenziwa kanjani. But
all in all, like,
kube disadvantage ukuthola ningane yasemakhaya because masifikile la isithawa siyaqala ibona izinto siyaqala iyashintsha yabo.
ne?
Yeah, but ngajoining ngasemaka on.
All right. So, for those who don't know, ne, we're supposed to shoot on. Where's my camera?
No.
Yeah. For those who don't know, we're supposed to shoot on the.
PMC.
Sikhubeleke ngo without my camera. So, for those who don't know, we're supposed to shoot on last week, but you had something to do. I think you were from,
Last of last week.
yeah, last of last week, but then
Last night.
no, bro, hey, exaggerator.
Hey, yakhumbula ngoyini?
Okay, 3 weeks back,
Yeah.
not last month.
Couple 3 weeks back last night.
Okay, we're supposed to shoot like long time ago, ne? But you had a
Okay.
gig. Now I want to ask you about gig yako, ne? Do you get paid, bro? Like you said you went there for music video or live shooting,
Oh, really?
and it sounded so serious, yabo. So I was wondering, does this nigga get paid?
Nah, so ukuthi mhlamba abantu engibaziyo yabo,
Sure.
ama artists engibaziyo. Then ke siya collaboration. Ngiyapostera abapostera.
Yeah.
Yabo, sithole exposure soyithu. So ku pointless ukuthi ngikhokhisa umuntu njengawe nje ukuza la.
Yeah.
Ngithi mina ngifuna u5k
Sure,
because manje nami ngidinga exposure, nawe udinga exposure. Yabo.
100%.
Siyasponsor. But izinto kanjalo nje hayi.
So
Ngi-right to invite.
so you have artists, bro, like on your closets. Who's the most famous one, like on your contacts?
Okay. I'd say Tugzin, Pastor 99.
Oh,
Yeah, Tugzin.
yeah.
Tugzin.
Now my head inamba kathuzi ndadlala. But besele kancane kanje boy bangithola inamba kathuzi. Who's the most famous on my contacts? Not just to have like to have contact now, yabo.
Okay.
Because you'll never know. One day ndizomdinga, you know, like
Mm.
when the podcast is.
Mina ikho inamba yami but inamba yakhe but ayikho into engaka sikhulumayo.
Yeah, ne.
Buka nje must
Ukhuluma wena nje kuphela. It's like icherry, like bafuna icherry ingakufuni. Kukhuluma wena nje kuphela.
Na uthi angazi sizokhulumana yabo. Umuntu mawuthi khona ingoma drop hayo. Yabo ngiyakwazi ukusheshe ngiyibone.
Yeah.
Iyo into engimdingela yona. But ukuthi sizokhuluma ithi hey dog njayama. Khuluma.
Sure.
Ngiyabukela nje. Yabo. Ngeke ngize ngibone nje esengiblockile. Because ayikho into sikhuluma. Wena uba umuntu famous okhona lapha ama content ami.
Yeah, I have plenty. Okay, it depends. Like famous kanjani, like on industry or what?
Me. Khona
Wait. No, there's. Okay, what are you talking about? Numbers or just?
Yes, contact number.
Hey number sure.
I mean numbers like on Instagram.
Hey, ba inamba yomuntu ofamous. Noma uzongibuza wona. Onayo.
I would say.
I know what Instagram is not so.
I would say Dr. Durban, yeah. Akekho famous. Bruh. Wait, guys. Dr. Durban, like he's the biggest promoter.
Hey.
Like in South Okay. But here in Durban.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Event organizer. Okay.
In
I
South
also have
Yebo.
Ukas on my contacts. Ukas but nayo inamba yakhe but akanayo inamba yami but I have him on my Answer the question, dog. I have his contacts on my phone.
Funny.
Akanayo yena.
oh yeah.
So let's go to the girls, bro.
Yo.
Okay. To their hands. So before the interview, there was a guy like he was like, bro, like I'm a big fan. Ne? I'm assuming you know it all like every day, like, because you pick on TikTok, Facebook, ne? TikTok, Instagram. Yeah, but
I post that.
But you're quite big, ne? So I'm
Not
also
that big. Corner. I was big.
You're big, ne?
Get corn.
Yeah. So I'm sure you know like we told her every time, like, but I know you from TikTok. You big, yeah, but I'm your fan. So we want to know. In fact, Andy, ne? I know you don't want us to ask about your relationship and stuff, but how many DMs, dog, like do you get from Hans? Like,
Yo.
and which one was the most weirdest one?
Yo, okay. Akhona wona le. Uthi angathola ama DMs amaningi from amantombazana. Jalo ama artists, ama upcoming because manje content yami based on music ngiya promote. Yeah, kugcwele ama upcoming artists nje. Ama out nje agcwele lapha. Asend inakho nje.
Hi.
Ama out asenda ingoma zabo.
Sure.
Amantombazane sengasho ukuthi akhona ku IG but angixolile kakhulu nga.
Which like DM like was the most? Yeah, DM like yakhe aba be weird kakhulu like how I told her from chill. Maybe they sent you nudes or
Khona awasend email ngayibuza kwenzakalani manje ngaba afake question mark athi ayibo sithini
ne
shanga elinye futhi angazi uma washutha lini
yeah
afake question mark aso
then I send full body
shutha lini ngathi ayibo kwenzakalani manje but I know it's ulela nje ngiyibukele
ne
yabo ngiyibuza ukuthi lo muntu mathanga screenshot la ngathi
but it's just ibele so
still
libele and handle name
yabo manje but yeah angiyelo umuntu nami
sure
screenshot
loyally
ngiloyal angekho ona ish bengayisho ukuthi emjolweni bengaxila nga this year.
Yeah, just like you just vibing, you know, smashing there and there.
Bengaxili emjolweni this year. Ngako.
Sure.
Usaqala unyaka yabo. Singasho nje nje.
All right.
Khamba wesikhathi.
All right, Chief. So we were doing something for campus, ne? For all the varsities at Durban, right?
Okay.
So confession. So far, no one has sent us a thing, ne? So we wanna hear your confession, your varsity confession. Maybe you smashed roommate where, not a roommate wako. It's a roommate wako or whatever. I don't know. What's your wildest confession?
Yo. Based on intombazane noma?
Yeah, intombazana or yeah, mostly intombazana, bruh.
It's gonna be something else, like we would say, or something like that, something crazy.
Yeah.
Yo.
Say, I will never forget this thing.
Ayi mhlawumbe ngakwenza ngaphandle kodwa ayi.
Yeah.
Ayi.
Just listen to Gekbono, you are skipping them like.
Yeah.
Uthi ngizama ukukhumbula.
Safe space le.
Ngizama ukukhumbula. Khohla lo muntu. Ngizama ukukhumbula ukuthi yini engayenza nje esengasho ukuthi yona ke la.
Sure.
Benyiwa la. Yo. Hayi ngabe ngiqamba mama.
Ne?
Wena
Why?
mhlawumbe wena ungangitshela.
No, I'm new here, bruh. Like, I just arrived eVarsity.
Okay, but so far.
So far,
Okay, asiphumene eVarsity yini ongayisho ukuthi yabona ke la ngalelo suku kwanyiwa wena.
well, another question. Let's go to. I'm a bruh, like, you're coming to my house, like, the interviewer, and.
Eh, phela nami sengifuna ukwazi side lakho uthi
It's from the back of my head, like, anayo ngone, but I'm sure before iphele episode sokutshela, just remind me, ne?
hawe. But besingathanda ukwazi nathi.
Yeah, no, just remind me before iphele.
Sonke I
No, just before iphele episode le.
Oh, okay.
The cars on camera.
Okay. All right.
Now, we also understand that you're studying, right?
Yeah.
You're doing content. You're consistent with content yakho, ne? Now, I want to know, bro, like, we're approaching my exam. We're going to upload land next week, ne? So we exam, man. How do you balance, bro, like, your schoolwork and your content? Because you're always uploading. Remember, I saw you a library twice, ne? Okay, now I was just there for the vibes. When I was just there for the highs.
Focus on J. Oh,
I was just there for the highs and the vibes. When I bofunda, how do you balance it, bro?
yo.
Like, you always posting lives.
Dog phela ukuposta bese mhlawumbe akufani nalokho kwenu. Niyabona ukuthi niya set up niza yonke into mina ukuthi ngisuke ngagezile noma kunjani. Into engicabanga ngoyiposta ngaleso sikhathi.
Sure.
Ngivula ikamera, ngithola iangle ethana over grand.
Sure.
Shoot.
Ne.
Yabo. Mama ucheck nje ama video amanje la ngiqeda wa post. Yabona ukhulazi Instagram.
Yeah.
Uyabona nje lo muntu uvela ayivulile ikamera washoot into ayicabanga ngaleso sikhathi. Yafana ke nangapha ku TikTok. Ayikho into ukuthi sengizo set up or something, ring lights nani. Yashoot nje.
Yeah, if it's like that, it's easy because during the day, Sekambas, you can even like create a video, Sekambas.
Wena ubhala zisanja.
Huh?
Bhala zisanja.
Why do you always ask me? This name. No, because Tina, we only shoot once a week, yabo. So I have like 6 days for his girl.
Oh, okay.
And his editor, Ulazi, is the one like doing he edit 14.
Oh.
No,
Open
Ulazi,
it.
he's not here.
Oh.
Mastola Leando, so he send a GUI, then I edit, we upload.
That's Katsak.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you mean, this cat sack?
Fethu no ke ngama podcast bethu so shootha namhlanje sizoposta next month.
No, we're gonna upload Thursday, on Thursday.
Oh, okay. All right.
Today it's Saturday, we're uploading Nyango 2. The premiere is already set.
Oh, okay.
Yabo. So you upload on Thursday.
All right.
Yeah.
But yeah, sibele kula mbuzo. Oh, no my.
Wait. No, now I also understand you have a beef, bro, with all over, ne? Like Quick Groove or a house party. Then they play the main character syndrome. I don't know if Dilkaza Gakle main character syndrome, ne? Or I'ma be like Umchita, like there's another video in Itanda Yako. Kudlalwa ipiano, grand, kushap, kona macheri. I don't know if it was just a video or what. Kona macheri, then umchita figure like adlalu maskandi just to show off, but no, mnandil pin. Ne?
Inkabi.
Yeah. So tell us like kuba uba OPMC. Yeah, iyafana naye.
But
Yeah, no khamba sha iyafana nawe. So tell us the experience, yeah, because I'm the experience amajita njalo, bra. Like we, especially like we house party umjita like ufunu uvela ngamajita ne.
Yeah. Eish. Yabona ukuthi nami lezi things ngikhuluma eziningi so ngitshe nabantu yabo. Mhlawumbe ngihleli nawe uthi kuse awukhuluma ngalento, khulume yabo. But ezinye ngiyazi experience, yabo njengaleyo nje le
experience.
Yeah. So nje
Stoko sikhona amachera on. Then umjita ufina.
Manje so dlala maskadi manje kumele cace ukuthi manje wena usuka le enkandla. Come on.
Yeah.
Awusifice edlala ipiano la ukuthi wena uqo brand new what.
Sure.
Hlala la dlala ipiano.
Yeah.
Ngathi makufika amachela manje.
And yeah, house party like house party ne. At least where I come from, say as but if like singamachere singamajita like I5 kuzoba khona amachera here maybe 5 or 6 ne
Amele phela balance. Kumele balance mele.
Amachera abe more.
Sure.
Why? Because where I come from we like balance.
Mele balance.
Yeah.
Ayi akumele balance. Mele at least amachela maye 6 ama out about 3.
But amachera wait.
Yeah.
No, amachita kumele abe maningi namachera. Because bruh, okay, Delhi, you can confirm London, eh? Because into Mazan. Amacheri kwi house party, kumele abe maningi kunamachita, right?
Okay,
let's say I'm hosting.
Let's say you're host.
Okay.
Ubani kumele bebe maningi. Amacheri noma ama out. House party ne? Singachaze la. Ngihost house party wena.
Okay.
Amacheri noma amajita ekumele ebe maningi.
Okay.
Okay, ngicela ukuphendula mina.
Wait.
Akubuza kuphendula.
Kancane ne? Uzokhuluma naye, but bengicela just before you answer ne. Tina amajita we can take one for the team. Umzekelo if like by 5 amacheri I4 yabo. So long awinanga.
Spendiwe nje. Hayi. Kanjani manje? Niyayazi igame ihamba kanjani?
Yeah.
Uspendiwe akuwini. Yeah. No.
How? Kanjani manje?
Just like your house party.
But you see, I'm making sense, ne?
Yeah.
Amacheri, they can't take one for the team. Like if you if you konichering awinwanga, no, they don't.
What do they do? How?
How?
Tell us your experience.
I don't have experience, but I know they do.
Okay.
Lela, boy. Into engisho ngithi mina. Amacheri mayo 6 or 7. Amajita awo 3. Finish.
Akekho umkrisam lapho.
Cha, yayitrisam. Mawukhethile abanye bahamba. Simple. Nomba.
Amacheri angeza yenze lonto taka.
Bayolala. Cha phela uthi ngeke uthi mawuthi host house party onke amacheri abane energy yona. Khona lozo tsa mina.
Sure.
If game balance what if bapampa bonke? Sen lose no.
Yeah, but I also feel like amacheri are unfair, ne? But if we invite you to a house party, you should know, you're gonna give.
Hey.
Yeah, because suspended, eh?
Oh, it was suspended now. Hey, suspended now. Go umuntu osukale.
Yeah.
Azoquleka la. Kulate.
Dog, like, they don't spend shit, like, we transport sebapolthela,
iplug
utshwala bobethu, ukudla.
Ukudla.
Ne black. Get out of here.
mazofuna ukuhamba uzorequestelwa yimina futhi. Ya isebenzi.
Tingatholanga next
But izinto kanjalo njengama house party mina ngcono mawuthi ngifela nomuntu wami maye khona
Yeah.
phuma nje inkingeni yonke leyo nto leyo.
Ukuphume naye?
But
What are you talking about?
sazophuma.
Oh.
Kodwa uyahamba ama-house party. Okay.
Cha phela uyadepend ukuthi into kanjani yabo.
Okay.
Sure. Setting yakhona.
I'm booked or not.
Yabo. Angiveli nje ngize kuthiwa kune house party kwaMpisana ngifane khona.
Can we hide this because they are not paying us?
Or Red Bull. Oh, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. So about because like you are a night person, eh? Wami Grove.
Hayi bo.
No, there's something I found weird at Durban, eh? Unlike Eastern Cape, Uteli no Kumkan, you can attest to this, ne? Wait, guys, Eastern Cape, ungaya Grove, ne? Then it's either like Tola Amacheri or Amachita. Like Durban, like there are a lot of trans or Amagays and stuff. No, I don't have a problem, ne?
Yabona into on ukuthi la enakhonja igay uyayibonza igay
Hayi dog.
le uzohlangana ne-out ubonza i-out le next thing siyakushintshela ukuthi ayibo neka sini manje
Bra, mna hey dog, like
like kungcono futhi igame ayizobe igame ubonzayo kuse igame sure but mazobe out
ne?
sikambe siphele i-house uyaqala hayibo kanjani
Or maybe i-trans ne, like so iwinile senifikile endlini then
angazi abona umuntu leyo mpahla
yeah. Eish.
That's the point.
abekho
That's the point. That's how good they are.
abekho
That's the point.
abekho kalana mfethu
Bakhona bra, like I've seen them.
Yo.
Yo,
Social settings with one of those people who are going to umfana.
My man? Ecstasy. Right, dog.
no, I know I have friends, like I don't have like a beef namagays because I have young turn.
Mawufuna ube gay ukabe gay. Choice
Sure.
yakho.
But
Okay, ngawo umngane gay but masuqala manje unga
ukufuna
Hayi, come on.
yeah, it's foul.
I have a question.
So
Alright.
Have you ever had a friend in high school or back in the days and now session change?
mna I had mna you never mna I had bra, like from primary ne, we still like friends namanje. I'm not gonna mention igama ne, because I don't know if we're comfortable kanjani. Also like he's private yabo, unless like he was someone popular yabo benzommention igama lakhe. He's private. So from primary, but I saw dog like bye man indlela hamba ngayo indlela khuluma ngayo, there's no way. But because we used to go to the same church at Sunday school, so itune. So from school besiya esondweni because isonto lethu livula every day yabo. And abazali bethu bebezana, so we're like siblings angithona. That's why I kept him around. Now I went to Joburg senkhulile, like after high school nandibuya how manje say visible manje, like sayifaka nama wig and stuff. And shout out to him, like if ungahle andifuna ukhanselo. Yeah, shout out to him, like he came out of closet finally yabo.
Ya baningi abaqashile.
Yeah, and
Ngqaba.
ne
Yabo nje yabo sometimes nokudema umuntu uba athi out nje kupholiwe kuleli isikhathi hayibo siyangifuna futhi
how
kanjani manje
For sure you had like many encounters ezinjalo, ne?
bakhona face bakhona.
There's no way you said no to all of
famous.
them,
Khona abafamous ke futhi ngeke ngibabale la. No. Labo
Khuluma sizwe.
labo bazi ukuthi banakhunje. Kula le gang le bagcwele IG. Into vele hi.
Sure.
Hi. Okay. Yabona ne blue tick lapha. Yabona hayi zokhulunya ibhizinisi ke la.
Can I have my phone? You're gonna play Smash or Pass?
But Kaloku, you can't, don't you believe, Gubana, you can't write something off until you've experienced it.
Ne?
You don't know if you play for the other team until you've experienced the other team.
No, sisilungu. Sizwanga isilungu.
How? Until you've experienced. Now, once about until you've tasted the
Hayi ham nje kanjani. Hayi.
Yeah, for us.
Hayi bo, hey.
Yeah.
It's ngifuna ukukhuluma ngetabane because manje siya-attackana yabo manje.
Yeah, hey.
Ngiyabazi ke na but
Nandiyasithanda Sherman.
nenza kahle kodwa shanteni mfethu. Yabo.
Yeah, shout out.
Keep it up.
Ne? Okay, Doug, let's go to before we go to a game yokugcina. Is there anything you wanna say? Like you wanna say maybe for your channel or whatever? Is it right?
Anything you want to promote, anything you're working on that you must be on the lookout for?
Okay. Yeah. Ayi. Ngaphandle ukuthi
Move silent.
Kapal Guti.
ayi on.
Alright, Delhi. Do you have anything?
No.
Alright, so let's play Smash or Pass. Are you ready? So I'm gonna call out Amagama Macherne from Durban Varsity, yabo. And when uzositshela if you'd smash or pass. Ne? And you'll tell us why. Okay, let's go. Smash or pass. So ready, ne? Fuck. Hood baby uSpecihle Mdanda. Would you smash or pass?
But no IG.
Yeah. I think I saved pictures up now.
Wait. Pass.
Huh?
Ube tshela tana manje.
Hood baby ngitshela intwana yakho.
Yeah. So ngizaba
Come.
Cha udmanje.
Uveni?
Ubetshela nentwana yami, intwana yami besinoxoxa bo. Sinakho ukuxoxa.
Sure.
Sikhuluma ukuthi kwakunjani lapha. Siyasha. Ngibona time. Okay. But yeah.
Alright.
Muhle no but
Angeze smash. Alright. Another one, Andy Somthembu. You know her? Smash or pass?
bado.
No.
Hey, angimazi. Angimazi but muhle yena.
Yeah, just look at the picture like.
Ayi.
Why? No, forget she's here, bruh.
Khohlo yena, yabona khohlo yena but ngikhuluma into engiyibonayo.
Sure.
Yabo. Hayi kabi but muhle yena. But
Alright, another one, Ashley Villagazi. Would you smash or pass?
Ashley neta.
Yeah.
Hayi ngeke.
Not too ugly, not loga sit kulova.
Move.
This one.
Awu wena kahle Ashley mama hey.
She's got no, she's still coming to the podcast. Yeah.
Awungibizi mase khona. Njaya mfethu. But I pass it dog.
Why?
No, my capital letters pass.
How? You know something?
Hayi no pass. Don't pass.
Speaking
Capital letters.
speaking of Injazako, you were very good with Upelo, and now Ngati. Things are not going. What's going on?
No, Okay, in relationship, you have no. Hey, I don't call it la. Boy, I think you know Felix on it. It's alright. What's you could say? Okay, to be honest, to pay off it, so since Kuluma, Leshan is our no card.
Sure.
BC wheel dog. Abo. But minang bonang ati kung ngono ngisondeze again.
Oh yeah.
Ngivusa nje yabo. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngivusile part bengifakela umoya yabo.
Yeah.
Ngifakela umoya yabuye gaming until as angayisho noma uthola ideal ne-Afrotainment but usese Afrotainment manje. But kade nje mfethu ade siphelile indaba yophela nogalo ivara. Then bekumele ngimfakele umoya. But nje manje use right yabo. Just like nganika nabanye ithuba yabo. Ungafocus kuyena kuphela. Usakhona ama uthi drop us span but nabanye yabo.
So who else on that you're looking at right now?
Okay. Uze Makebe pass?
Yeah.
Yeah, ngifuna umfakele umoya ibhadi ke.
Sure.
On.
With that, ne?
No, it's very commendable what you're doing for the culture. I just want to say it.
Nah.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it.
I'm a big fan.
Now I'm a big fan of when damn.
One love.
Oh.
Aya Langa. Would you smash or pass? Aya.
That's me.
Wait. Okay.
Wait, smash your pants, Aya.
Ba Aya.
Yeah.
She's my boy, Aya, so I'd pass.
Oh.
Just for your respect, yabo. Yeah, for your respect. But let's say
Say work phone then.
no.
Okay.
Okay, let's pass.
Why are we leaving this one? Just like that? Oh.
Say work phone then.
Aya, like we're talking about her, ne? No, Aya, like we're good friends in them night. Upalesa, would you smash or pass?
Balo man.
Nah, picture yakhe.
Ah.
You know her, ne? Smash.
First, I'm a level down bars, me now.
How come, bruh? How can you be so big to like
Yes.
big cool Instagram, but you don't know those people?
Yeah, when I'm on TikTok, if Uvela, I'm an artist. Pale. Labantu abadansa nobani
Sure.
awavi dog ngiqamama
How can you forget Uwaka Yami?
ubani lo
Oh, you know her, bro.
athimbo
I don't have.
angima yazi ngaba ivana angibazi intombazane engiyaziyo ukuthi mhlawumbe iyavela khona uElam yamazi
Oh, yeah.
yeah because sensitive efanayo
Walk.
oh lo
Yeah.
angimazi nokumazi because
Yeah, you don't have to know her.
okay
From what you see, would you smash or pass?
Nah.
It's just someone like you date. No. Why?
I just feel like ungcono ngimbukela nomunye umuntu yabo mhlawumbe ujola nawe yabo but mayise nami
All right.
I gotta be ubani
Walker.
I gotta
Okay, yeah.
be Walker dog but yeah
Yeah, she was supposed to come Namhlanje, but she's writing.
on
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, man. Like, thanks for coming. This was.
ima unombuzo ungibuze wona ngobhelo awubuzi naye ngoPMC
I'm not in the podcast, bro. Come on.
awuphendulele nawe okay ayikho flop
Okay. Yeah. Just I don't know. Oh, guys, we're selling a t-shirts. It's how much daily?
iphi
A t-shirt and iphetanga.
iveza la
Yeah, so iveza. So how much daily? A t-shirt A1. It's 150 t-shirts. So please make sure you get yours. And another thing, please guys, send us EVNs.
mele usho ukuthi why mele sithengi
Yeah, because it's just it's on indle. And sistyle sakho, bro. Yeah, sistyle sakho. It's quiet and yeah, it's quality.
ngithenga ngafethu 150 rand about 4
Ne?
yeah
All right. Anyways, yeah, we're out. Mna, Utopia Unplugged podcast. We're out. Cheers. Yeah, we are.
Alright.
Ufuna ubuzani?
Alright.
Ngithatha nepeas. We're done, eh? Yes, but like I had to